being delivered.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what do you think is special about the Australian program that does seem to work so well in unlocking the causes of bullying?
Well, the program comprises two parts. One part is about talking about
It was a cool cut, but then he calls it as well. That's not one of those. Oh, Jesus. Fucking hell. Searching for a home with a
When I did take the bus button, the system was so full it couldn't cope with the amount of paper. Oh, shit.
You're gonna blow fire in your face, you fucking donkey!
Questions. And I was just like, I wanted to connect back and go, thank you. Thought I better not. So that was quite nice.
What are you doing, you?
Very sweet. Yeah, look, they are really lovely guys. And this is a really beautiful record. And the first song on it is the song we're going to hear. It's called Cut Myself Loose. And the whole album is this sort of journey of 24 hours for the main character in the album. And beginning the journey.
Really? What a fucking surprise. Really?
And he's going to go into a driveway.
Oh, you're fucking joking. Fat cunt.
You don't have to pay $100 every month, although $100 worth of. Look, dash cam. Yes! Yes!
Oh, fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, Roger, you're fucking a snake.
He just drove through. It just drove through a red light.
He just drove through a red light. The guy was here, just drove through the middle of the car through a red light, and there's a police car right
On
there.
the other side of the road.
It's a bit like you.
Do you want that to be like that, Tomcat? Is that what you want? Yeah? Oh. Fuck me. Do it. Do it. Fuck me. Fuck me.
And it knocked everything sideways. There may be 3 men in a whole street.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
So that's a very important, very rapid response. And that AHP facility has done a very, very good job already this morning. So it is really important that all of us consider the 3 things that we each need to do to keep ourselves, our families and our community safe. We have any symptoms, no matter how much,
Far out. You can fuck off.
Which Marsh is confident he'll recover from an ankle surgery in time to captain Australia A in India. His time, 5:05.
Offering August 18 participating stores only, excludes IGA Express. If you're running for your exporting, need a professional local and global freight network? Visit One Global Logistics.
This is where I came for my tyres.
You've got your bloody door open.
Well, that's okay, he'll figure that out.
You got your door open, mate.
Your door's open?
Your door's open on your van.
Let's have a check. See how